In this video, we're going to be going over how to install the LinkedIn Insight tag, and there's going to be a couple of ways I'm going to show you. One via Google Tag Manager, which is the better way, and one directly on a WordPress website. So let's check it out. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have Google Tag Manager, so you can just do that. It's all free and it's really easy to sign up for. So just sign up for one and you'll get taken to basically this page here. And so let's go to LinkedIn. You also need to sign up for a LinkedIn ads account, and this is your campaign manager. So hopefully you have that already. I have another video you can find where I go over how to set this all up and what this all means, and it goes into a lot more detail into understanding Campaign Manager, LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So check out that video. But hopefully you got this far. So the first thing you do is go to Account Assets, Insight Tag. See my Insight tag, and you have the two options where you have three options. You can just tell the developer to do it, but if you want to do it yourself, you can do it this way. So this is directly onto your website. You can just copy this code here, and if we go to a WordPress, the backend of the WordPress, and we scroll down to settings and insert headers and footers. So let's just remove my face. So settings, headers and footers, and you just copy paste it here. So in the footer. So you just copy paste it here in the footer. I'm not going to do that because I've done it actually with Google Tag Manager, which is a better way of doing it. So that's it. That you just save that and you exit, and you've got basically you only need to do it in this one place. You don't have to go to every single page on your website. This will be the tag which gets all the pages. So that's fine. You've done it. It's that simple. The other option, which is the better option, is go down to Google Tag Manager, and I mean you have the other tags, but I only use Google Tag Manager personally, and you don't really have to click there. All you have to do is copy that, go to your Google Tag Manager, and here is the dashboard for Google Tag Manager. So you're going to create a new tag. Call it LinkedIn Insight tag, and tap on the tag configuration. If you scroll down, you're going to see that there's an integration already, LinkedIn Insight tag here. Just click on that and enter your tag, Insight tag ID, which is that. We don't really need to go over all these different advanced settings. That's all we need to know for now. And then click on trigger, and all pages, add, and save. The one thing we still have to do, if you haven't done this already, is install the Google Tag Manager onto your website. Google Tag Manager is just a better way of doing it because we can put all our tags through this, and then we can send them to Google Analytics or wherever we want. So it's best to get everything through Google Tag Manager. If you haven't done that, you can go and just click on, there's two ways of doing it. You can click directly there, or you can go to admin, install Google Tag Manager, and you have it here again. So this says copy the code below and paste it into every page of your website. Paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. Right, so this is the head, so you copy that, go to your WordPress backend, and again, it's in the same place. You go to settings, and it will say headers and footers, and you paste that there. And the other one, you again copy this one, and this is meant to go in the body. So you copy that, go back, and paste it in the body, and that's it. Now you've got Google Tag Manager installed on your website, and you've got the Insight tag installed either directly on your website or in Tag Manager, which is the better way of doing it. So hopefully this was helpful. If you want to get really, really good at LinkedIn, I have a free course which you can sign up below. There's a link to it before. It's called LinkedIn Ads Targeting. So if you want to get really good at LinkedIn ads targeting, you can sign up by clicking on the link below. Cool. See you soon.